Ah, there is a coffee shop. I'm gonna go get coffee. I know how to order coffee in Japanese.
いらっしゃいませ。コーヒーください。はい、コーヒーですね。コーヒーはホットでよろしいですか？サイズはいかがなさいましょうか？店内ご利用ですか？それともお持ち帰りですか？Today, I'm gonna teach you how to order coffee in Japanese. I will not explain grammar, but I will teach you real survival Japanese that you need for sure. By the way, this is my student and also my assistant, Gin-chan.
Hi guys, I'm Gin-chan. Let's study Japanese together.
それでは始めるよ。First, when you go to the counter to order, you will hear these kind of sentences. いらっしゃいませ。ご注文をお伺いします。いらっしゃいませ is a greeting phrase to welcome customers. ご注文をお伺いします means I'll take your order. Here, you should know the word 注文. It means order, and ご注文 is a polite version of 注文. If you hear ご注文, you know that you can order now. You can simply say, coffee please. コーヒーください。コーヒーください。コーヒー is a little bit difficult to pronounce. It has 4 beats. コーヒー。Try to extend the vowels. コーヒー。コーヒー。Then you will be asked like this. ホットコーヒーでよろしいでしょうか？ホットコーヒーでよろしいでしょうか？ It means, would you like to have hot coffee? If you want hot coffee, you can say, ホットコーヒーで、ホットコーヒーで。If you want cold coffee, you say, アイスコーヒーで、アイスコーヒーで。
Okay, but doesn't iced coffee mean sweet frappe in Japan?
No, if you order iced coffee, you will get cold coffee with ice cubes. Next, you'll be asked about size. サイズはいかがなさいますか？サイズはいかがなさいますか？
Ah, I got it. I need to say which size I want.
Exactly. Usually, we have 3 sizes, S, M, and L. Size S, we say S size. Size M, we say M size. And size L, we say L size. S size, M size, L size. If you say S サイズで S サイズで It means I'll have small size. Now you ordered what you want, but they might ask you this. ご注文は以上でよろしいでしょうか？ご注文は以上でよろしいでしょうか？ We learned that 注文 means order, and 以上 means that's all. So this sentence means, is that all for your order? If it is, you can say, はい as yes. If you want to order more, you can order as we just learned. This will be the last question. 店内ご利用でしょうか？それともお持ち帰りでしょうか？店内ご利用でしょうか？それともお持ち帰りでしょうか？店内 means inside the store. ご利用 means use in a polite way. So it means that, are you staying inside? Are you sitting here? それとも means or and お持ち帰り means take away. お持ち帰り is a polite version of 持ち帰り.
So it's like for here or to go.
そうそう You're right. So you should know the words 店内 inside the store and 持ち帰り take away. If you want to have a seat, you say 店内で店内で. If you want to take it away, you will say 持ち帰りで持ち帰りで or take out で take out で.
Okay, but I wanna be polite. So I would say お持ち帰りで not 持ち帰りで.
Waiters say お持ち帰り because they want to be polite to you about your act of taking away. But if you say お持ち帰りで it means you're being polite about your action, not to the waiter. So when you actually do 持ち帰り you shouldn't put o.
なるほど. Now I can order coffee in Japanese.
銀ちゃん are you sure? Let's practice together. I will slightly change the sentences because it's not always same in the real conversation. But I'm sure that you can catch the words and deal with it by yourself. じゃあ一緒にやってみよう。いらっしゃいませ。ご注文をお伺いします。コーヒーください。コーヒーはホットでよろしいですか？はい、ホットコーヒーで。サイズはいかがなさいますか？ M サイズで。かしこまりました。店内ご利用になりますか？テイクアウトで。かしこまりました。ホットコーヒーの M サイズ持ち帰り用でご用意いたします。ご注文は以上でしょうか？はい。300円になります。あちらでお待ちください。
まどか先生 I heard かしこまりました。What does it mean?
It means like sure or certainly. It's a very formal Japanese.
Okay, I couldn't understand all the sentences, but I got a copy.
Well done, 銀ちゃん。よく頑張ったね。
Well, you learned a lot today. 今日もたくさん勉強したね。I will upload videos for easy learning Japanese and also fun content regarding Japanese culture every week. So please don't forget to subscribe. 簡単に日本語を学べる動画や日本に関する面白いコンテンツを毎週アップするよ。チャンネル登録よろしくね。じゃあまたね。バイバイ。